Ring alarm flood and freeze sensor protects your home from flood and water damage. Get alerts on your smartphone when water or low temperatures are detected. Easy setup in minutes, without tools or professional installation. Requires Ring Alarm Security System, sold separately. Manage Ring Alarm Flood and Freeze Sensor and other Ring products with the Ring app. Battery life 3 years max. Batteries are replaceable. Top reviews from the United States. Originally I bought these to monitor under the kitchen sink and next to an aging water heater. It was frustrating to have to buy the entire Ring home monitoring system and then add these little discs on top of it, but it ended up being a worthwhile purchase. One day I noticed that our fridge was leaking slowly and intermittently near the door. I turned off the ice maker and shut off the water line to the fridge. But because I was going out of town for a while, I moved one of the Ring water freeze alarms next to the fridge. 2 days later it alerted me to the presence of water. I asked a neighbor to check on the home, expecting him to find the worst. But nope, it was actually just a small bit of water, no more than 2 tablespoons. I was pretty satisfied that just a little bit of water registered the alarm. That makes me have confidence that it will work in a more serious situation. Haven't tested the freeze component of it yet though.